Hello, today we'll show you 3 settings on the game's control. First, how to enter and return. A button is for enter and select. We press A button. It will go through. And when we need to return and press the B button. Enter. And we enter the game. Enter. A for enter. Second, how to close the game and turn back to the My page. We press the select button and the start button at the same time. Press first time and press again. We will turn back to the My page. And the first thing, how to turn back to the Android TV box model. We press the B button. On this page, we press the select button. And we choose this one, REBOOT from the NAND. We press the A button and press yes. Now it will go back to the Android TV box model.